Okay, welcome to the Earth Healer movement where we're doing the 90-day challenge. This is technically day one, and right now I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to do DoorDash right now, and it's raining and windy, and there were flood warnings in the Sacramento area, so that's something I need to just be cognizant about. But that is a source of income that I'm trying to tap into, and I need to do as many as I can to get special privileges so I can do it in my area. So this month I have to do that in order to do DoorDash whenever I want, wherever I want, and in my area, in a safe area. So in order to do that, I need to qualify by doing 100 DoorDashes, and I can only schedule them, which are crazy. The scheduling is just like in half an hour, like somewhere far away, like an hour away, and it's like, what am I supposed to do with that? When it's like you might be paying to work because you're going to drive and spend money on gas and car stuff. So it's just crazy. But anyways, I'm having my own issues to deal with. So it's not like I have all the time in the world, and I'm going through spiritual ascension. So my sleep schedule was upside down, where I was up all night, like during the holiday season and stuff. So I'm going through spiritual ascension symptoms and waking up can't go to sleep, waking up through the night, extremely tired, exhausted, and I'm still gonna do my makeup. I just brushed my teeth. I put my foundation and concealer and some blush. And I'm just finishing up my makeup here. So I'm gonna put yes, even though I'm going to do DoorDash and it's raining and I don't care who sees me, it's about myself and how I feel about myself. It makes me feel good. So, because I have this persona of myself that I've always had, where I am that person. So that makes me happy. So if you don't understand, you don't understand. So that's how we become happy and powerful and in control of our lives, is by being ourselves and not listening to negative, logical brain behavior. It's about how we feel in our heart. If it doesn't make sense to the outside world, that doesn't matter. It's what we feel in our soul and our heart that matters. So we're deprogramming our brain to think differently. I don't know why I was just about to do my eyebrows and stuff. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that. I don't even need anything else. I'm just going to, I do need something else. I was gonna say I don't need like eyeshadow, but I want to use Actually, I'm going to put some sparkly eyeshadow on because it's going to make me feel good. Just on the upper. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is, this is just a light highlight. So please understand that when people wear makeup, it's not for attention. It depends on the person and the intentions of the person. So you don't assume, oh yeah, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to put some eyeliner on. So I'm just gonna grab this like dark color here from my Morphe palette. And I'm just gonna like draw a line. So this is all part of the challenge, is like doing what you want to do that feeds your soul. So putting on makeup makes me feel good about myself because that's what I want to do for my life. I want to like love myself and my body and my face. And this is setting spray, Urban Decay setting spray, all-nighter. And I want to feel powerful, in control of my life, and like I'm doing something for myself. Because this is a God's vessel, so you are appreciating the vessel that you were born into. So working out, self-care, things of that nature are respecting God, because you're taking care of your vessel and your soul, feeding your soul's desires. When you're manifesting, you're basically like living out your manifestation. Like, if I was rich, what would I do? Would I put makeup on in the morning? Would I feel good in the morning? Would I don't think I would be doing DoorDash, but maybe I would. I don't think so. But I might be traveling, and so maybe that's like, it's a stepping stone to like getting used to driving in different conditions and being around different types of people and going out there and exploring and seeing the signs of the universe pointing me in the directions that I'm going the right way, that I'm being respectful, and that I'm trying to like earn a living, and the universe is like proud of me. So it's going to reward me and gift me because I'm putting in all the necessary steps, and I'm humbling myself, not thinking I'm too good, and it's also, yeah, it's humbling me. It's making my ego, it's grounding me. That's pretty cool. So I did want to go to the park today and like go walk on the grass. So that makes me happy that this is doing the same thing of grounding me, like bringing me back down to earth. Like I'm so up in the clouds, like with my manifestation and what I want to achieve in my future, that I need to be settled back down, grounded to this earth, and be humbled by the moment now. Like, this is now. All we have is now. This is all I could ever have. And I'm grateful for it. And I want to serve others. So this is like a test of the universe. Like, how are you going to respond? You know? So it's a beautiful reciprocal energy in everything that you do and every day. It doesn't matter your position. I still can be a boss, a badass, a leader, and humble myself and work and serve. And, you know, like on my Christmas Eve, I went out with my daughter for hours distributing gifts to the homeless, just little things that I couldn't even, like, you know, I couldn't give them very much, but, and I have some more that I'm going to give out today probably. Or if I see a homeless person, I'm going to give more out. Or if I see, you know, those on the corners or whatever with the signs, I can give them. And it's fine. It's like, there's no pressure, no stress. It's just like chill vibes, going with the flow of the universe, and whatever happens, happens. And God knows, Spirit knows what's best for you and what makes you happy and what's going to make you, your soul, happy. So it doesn't matter your circumstances in life. Like, I don't need to feel bad because I'm, you know, like, it doesn't matter. Nothing matters but how you feel in your soul. I'm putting my makeup case away. So it's all clean, the counter's clean. So that makes you feel good when your environment is, you know, good. I'm putting this Pure Wonder on from Bath and Body Works. So yeah. So I'll probably take you guys with me for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. Okay. So I'm going to wear this hat. Let's see what it looks like. Wear this little hat. Okay. And I'm going to wear this big, fuzzy hoodie that makes me warm and cozy like a blanket because it's raining and cold outside. So, and then I have my probiotics, my, this is like biotin and, I forget what it's called. This is, B12 complex. Let's see what that's called. Oh, it has collagen, biotin and collagen for like hair, skin, and nails. So yeah, so that's it. Oh yeah, I also gotta finish my lipstick. So I love the Too Faced Matte Melted, and this is in Cinnamon Bun. You can find this at Ulta, maybe, I don't know. It might be, it's a holiday collection, and it was from last year, so I don't know. But the reason why I love this lipstick so much is because it dries and it doesn't come off. And it feels good, and I love the colors, and yeah, so OOTD. Yeah, so I have these like yoga pants from I think they're from Pink, and I don't know where this tank top's from, but they have pockets in them, so I can put my cell phone and my keys, which comes in handy for DoorDash. So because you're like constantly carrying your phone around. So I'll show you what this looks like. We'll probably get really hot in the house. But yeah. So, and my body was really sore this morning. So I had to like do some stretches, get my, I think it's because of my workouts. So that's what I'm doing. And so I scheduled myself, it was like 7 to midnight. And it's like about 45 minutes away from where I live. So yeah, and it's raining and storming. But I don't think it's that bad. California weather is like nothing compared to like other places. So let's see. Come with me. Okay, I'm gonna come back.